On the stove, I have a very delicious cranberry sauce that is simmering away and it smells divine. Let me show you how I made it. For the cranberry sauce, I used frozen cranberries, add them to a sauce pot, and then season with a pinch of salt and fresh ground nutmeg. Then I add in sugar and orange juice and bring to a boil. Then a healthy glug of vodka always does the trick. Simmer for about 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Let me get into this sausage dressing with that cranberry sauce. Let me see. Talk about moist and super savory. I told you, it definitely is that cream of chicken soup. I mean, the unmistakable moisture that you get is phenomenal. It's so good, I can't even stop eating it. That's how good this is.